comparing fractions unlike and like both with many quizzes. This is episode 2 of fractions, and if you haven't watched episode 1, then you must watch. Link is in description. Before we start with the topic, I have a recap quiz for you, and this quiz is very interesting. This is based on the last episode, that is why it is named recap, obviously. So if you haven't watched last video, then you may get confused in this quiz, and if you have watched the last video, then it's extremely easy for you to answer. And if you give correct answer in time, then you get 100 points. ठीक है, अगर आप टाइम में आंसर देते हो, then you get 100 points. Okay, and if you pause the video and take more time to think, then you get 50 points. Okay, so you need to give answer in the time only, the given time only. Okay, I will give you enough time. And if you try, okay, agar aap jaise the question, if some questions are to solve, so if you solve those questions, if you try to find out if you try to find solution, uh, then you get 20 points. Okay, not 20, 30 points if you try but got wrong answer, if you made a mistake somewhere. Okay, now let's start with the first. Which of the following fraction is a decimal fraction? Option A 35 upon 6, option B 10 upon 25, option C 4 upon 5, and option D 6 upon 10. This is very easy. I'm starting the timer. Okay, your 15 seconds is now here. Okay, you have to answer in 15 seconds. 10 seconds are left to think for your answer. This is very easy. And if you randomly guess the answer, then अगर आप randomly guess करके if you give the correct answer, then you're getting no point. Okay, no point of getting or guessing. Okay, calculate your points. If you have given in time, then you got 100 points. अरे मैंने आंसर तो बताया नहीं. Okay, wait. I have not told the answer. The answer is option number D, 6 upon 10. This is the decimal fraction. बिकॉज इसका डिनोमिनेटर 6/10 है और हम इसको इजीली डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, है ना. मतलब इसको आप ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो 0.6, राइट. इसको आप ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 10, 100, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 10,000 कैन बी infinity that it goes. Okay, so calculate your points as I told. For how much, for what situation you get how many points. So now how to add or subtract fractions ये हम नहीं करेंगे, why नहीं करेंगे, because this is already done. इसका you will get link in description. Okay, link is in description. Okay, we have already done this. मतलब I didn't thought for any chapter, a particular part of the chapter, just like we are going as a roadmap, but I just randomly made video on addition of fractions, of improper and like both, and of mixed fraction also, how to add mixed fraction. So you'll get the link is in description. I didn't just uploaded that a month ago randomly. So instead of this, here we can take comparing fractions. That is what we are going to study. Okay, in the roadmap we have completed 3 things. Okay, now we are going to start with the comparing fractions. How to compare two fractions. Okay, now we are talking about two fractions. दो fractions को कैसे compare करते हैं. Okay, comparing two fractions, two like fraction is easy. Just compare their numerators. Okay, but for comparing two unlike fractions, we have two ways to solve, or you can say two ways to compare. That is cross multiplication method and LCM method. And cross multiplication method is very easy. This is the easiest method of comparing fraction. Okay, this is the easiest method, and this is, whereas LCM method is long method. This is easy but long. Okay, and this is very short. This cross multiplication method, it is also very short. Okay, but इसके एक पार्ट में जाके लोगों को confusion होती है, and I want to erase that confusion. Cross multiplication method. So let a and b are two it in a b sorry a upon b and c upon d are two given fractions. To find which is greater, we need to do cross multiplication. Just like this is how we do the cross multiplication. Okay, multiply this with this and this with this. ओके, ए इंटू डी एंड सी इंटू बी. ठीक है, और आपको क्या करना है ना, इन न्यूमरेट इधर आके सब लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन होती है. आपको इस ए को मेन मान लेना है और इस सी को मेन मान लेना है. ठीक है, और आप इस सी को बी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. ठीक है, ये मतलब ये सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन का काम है इनका. ठीक है, मेन पर्पस आप इनको समझो. आप समझो कि इनका मेन पर्पस है. ठीक है, और एक आप डी के साथ कर रहे हो. सो ऐसे लिख दो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर आप बी इंटू सी लिखोगे ना तभी आपको कन्फ्यूजन हो जाए कि लोग इनको ऐसे इसको डिनोमिनेटर को ऐसे फर्स्ट प्लेस पे लिख देते हैं, इसके डिनोमिनेटर को, तब लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन हो जाती है कि अब कैसे करना है. अब बस आई विल टेल यू. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक ऐसे हमने कर लिया 3.5 और 5 हेट हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया, ऐसे कर लिया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 इंटू 8 और 5 इंटू 5. सपोज अगर यहाँ पे होता 3/5 और 6/8. ठीक है, तो आप इसको कैसे लिखते? यू मस्ट राइट इट एज 3 इंटू 8 एंड 6 इंटू 5. क्योंकि हम 6 और 3 को मेन मान के चल रहे हैं, इसके लिए हम इसको पहले लिखेंगे. ओके, so 3, now we'll multiply these. Okay, you will get 24 here and 25 here. Which one is greater? 25 is greater. Okay, so from where we obtained 25, हमें 25 कहाँ से मिला? 25 we got from 5 इंटू 5. 5 इंटू 5 में मेन क्या है? 5 इंटू 5 में मेन है 5. ठीक है, और ये 5 किसका न्यूमरेटर है? दिस इज द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ 5/8. तो कौन सा बड़ा हुआ? 5/8. आया समझ? ऐसे समझो. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आपको प्रोसेस समझाया ना, ये चीज़ आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी समझने में. इस चीज़ से 25 बड़ा निकला किसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से? इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से. ये इसमें मेन क्या है? ये है. तो इस अब ये किसका न्यूमरेटर है? जिस नंबर का न्यूमरेटर है वो बड़ा है. ऐसे. ओके, दिस इज ओके. अब एलसीएम मेथड में इसमें आपको बहुत लॉजिक लगाना होगा. ओके, ये मैं आपको काफ़ी लॉजिक से समझाऊंगी, बिल्कुल बेबी स्टेप से और लॉजिक से. So first of all you have to take the LCM of the given denominator. You are given with two fractions and there are denominators. You have to take the LCM, and I hope that you all are aware with LCM and you all know how to take LCM, because this video is of class 7th and LCM we are studying from 3rd standard. So still I'm showing you over here 5 and 8. Okay, so multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 to is 8, 8 5 is 40. LCM is 40. Then we have to make the denominator same by equivalent method. Equivalent method की हमने definition पढ़ी थी equivalent की. What are equivalent fractions in episode 1? So equivalent fractions are, suppose you have 2/4. Okay, and it can be 4/8. Okay, no 4/8. नहीं. Just give me a second. I'm giving you an example. I'm thinking for an example for equivalent fraction. Okay, so if you don't get any answer for equivalent answer, if it take times, then equivalent means like this. You can multiply this like this. We multiply numerator and denominator with the smallest number. आप किसी से भी कर सकते हो. If you do from 3, if you do for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you will get equivalent answer only. Just your denominator and denominator both should be multiplied with the same number. Like just like here we will get 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. If you will reduce this, what you will get? Reduce it by the table of 4. No. This is already reducible. Okay, this is also equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, and when you will reduce this, you will get 1 by 2. When you will reduce this, you will get 1 by 2. Means uh, 2 by 4 and 1 by sorry, and 4 upon 8 are equivalent to, means they are equivalent means equal to, okay, equivalent to 1 upon 2. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2. Now I hope you have gotten an idea what we are going to do. So we have to make the denominator same by the equivalent method and compare the numerators. Okay, LCM we say we will make the denominator same. How? You have to first of all make this format. Okay, so you have to make the format. Okay, and now check what to multiply with 5 to get 40. अब इस 5 के साथ आप क्या multiply करोगे कि आपको 40 मिल जाए? ये नंबर्स छोटे हैं तो आप इजीली बता सकते हो कि 5 के साथ 8 मल्टीप्लाई करो तो आपको 40 आ जाएगा। लेकिन सपोज आपको थोड़े बिगर नंबर्स दे रखे हो तो आप कैसे करोगे? आप उनको सिंपली रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हो। ठीक है, यू कैन डिवाइड और यू कैन रिड्यूस। ठीक है, यू कैन आइदर डिवाइड और यू कैन आइदर रिड्यूस। ओके, आइदर डिवाइड और रिड्यूस। ओके, अगर आप 40 अपॉन 5 को रिड्यूस करोगे यू विल गेट 8 एंड इफ यू पुट दिस 8 ओवर हियर what you're going to get 4 8s are 40. Sorry, what I'm thinking. 5 8s are 40. Okay, 5 8s are 40. And now you have to put this 8 over here also, then only you are going to get equivalent answer. Okay, now 3 8s are 24. And now we have got 24 upon 40, and if you will reduce this, you will get 3 upon 5. How? Let's do it. You can do it. अगर आप इसको डायरेक्टली 8 की टेबल से करना चाहते हैं यू कैन डू बाय डायरेक्टली बाय 8 टेबल. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर इनडायरेक्टली विथ 2 टेबल यू कैन go for 2 table. Okay, if you reduce this with a table of 8 you are going to get 3 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5, means 24 upon 40 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. I hope I have explained with very baby steps and uh, very slowly and very nicely. So I hope you understood it. Now multiply 8 with numerator also that we've done. And now uh, we have to just remember this format. Okay, as a format yaad rakhna, you have to make this type of format. Same as with the second fraction. Okay, same as with second fraction, 5 upon 8 into 40. अब 8 के साथ क्या multiply करें? You will get 40. You can multiply 5. 8 5 is 40. And again this 5 with numerator also, 5 5 is 25. And if you will reduce this 25 upon 40, then what you are going to get? 25 upon 40, you can reduce it by the table of 5. You will get 5 upon 8. Means 5 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8. Means 25 upon 5, 25 upon 40 is equivalent to 5 upon 8. मतलब इसकी सेम है, मतलब इन दोनों की वैल्यू सेम है. ओके, 25 और 5/8 बोथ दोनों की वैल्यू सेम है. ठीक है, इन दोनों की वैल्यूज आर सेम. Okay, values are same of both. That is why you can take this one, because here we have uh, just uh, one denominator. Sorry, we have like fractions. Now we have same denominators, same 40 40. Now we can compare the numerators. 24 and 25 is 25 is greater, so this sign. And 25 is equal to what? 25 is equal to 5. Oh, what is happening? I'm sorry. Oh, just a minute. Okay, 5 upon 8 is greater because See how, because 24 25 upon 40 is greater and this is equal to 5 upon it. Alright. Now let's go for the quiz. We have completed with all. And suppose if you have like denominators, then what you can do is, अगर आपके पास like denominators है, then you can simply compare the numerators. And also calculate your points. So that you can comment on for how many points you got. And here is the first question for in front of you. Compare 9 upon 16 and 13 upon 24. A. 9 upon 16 is greater than 13 upon 24. B. 9 upon 16 is smaller than 13 upon 24. C. 9 upon 16 is equal to 31 upon 24. And D. None of the above. Giving you 1 minute. Okay, I'm giving you enough time to solve this question. Okay, I know they are so small, so they're slow writers also, solvers also. That is why I'm giving you enough time, so much time, so that you don't need to pause the video and lose your 50 points. Okay, so I want you to get full points. That is why I'm giving you enough time. Okay, take your time, solve slowly, slowly. You can solve. Okay, and maintain your speed and accuracy both. Okay, Delvasime, don't get panic or don't and do the wrong solution. Just try. Okay, and if you try, you're a champion. If you try. Okay, do it with cross multiplication method. That will help you to understand cross multiplication, the concept of that part, so that you don't get confused. Okay, I want you to solve this with cross multiplication method. And if you get wrong answer, don't worry, I'm going to help you. Okay, I hope that you have solved it. It will not take much time. And I know that it will take it you're taking much time because of the multiplication, right? Because these are bigger numbers and you need to take and you will take much time to solve. But I think I've given enough time and giving you 10 15 more seconds to solve. Okay, 15 more seconds here. ओके ओके 5 सेकेंड जल्दी से अपना आंसर मार्क कर लो ओके so the answer is option number A and well done for those who have done it correct and जिन्होंने ट्राई किया but lack of time or maybe made a mistake somewhere but at least tried then you are a champion if you tried it so how we have solved it 9 upon 16 cross multiply 13 upon 24 alright now 9 into 24 you will get 206 16 okay and you when you will solve 16 into 13 okay let me tell you by baby steps okay when you will do the cross multiplication, you have to write like this, and डिनोमिनेटर्स को हमें सेम मान के चल सॉरी न्यूमरेटर्स को हमें मेन मान के चलना है. ओके, इनको हमें मेन मान के चलना है. So now here you will get 216, and here 13 into 16 you will get 208. Okay, I remember the answer because I already solved this, so I remember the answer. But if they are wrong, then let me know in the comment section. Oh, sorry. Okay, so 13 into oh, wait. 60. Okay, it's correct. So now what we are going to do? अब हमें we have got the answer now. Which is greater? 216 is greater than 208. Alright, and ये 216 हमें किससे मिला? We got it from 9 into 24, and 9 into 24 में main क्या है? 9 है, and 9 from where we got this 9? Sorry, from 9 upon 16. Okay, we got this 9 from 9 upon 16, right? So this is the bigger one. That is how 9 upon 16 is greater than 13 upon 24. Okay, congratulations, well done, and calculate your points. Moving ahead with the second question, and there is one more question left. So I don't want to make the video so long, that is why you can pause the video. Okay, now you will get full points if you pause the video, but ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेना, अपनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ करना है, ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लेना. Okay, you can pause the video. You have to arrange them in ascending order. Here you have 3. Acha, now if you have 3, what you have to do, you have to take the LCM first of all of these 3. Okay, now you cannot follow the cross multiplication method. Now you can only follow the LCM method. Okay, when you have more than 2, we follow the LCM method. Take the LCM of the denominators, and then what you have to do, you have to simply make the denominator same and then compare their numerators. Okay, and I am taking the LCM for you. LCM will be 21 only. Okay, LCM will be 21. No, I don't need to. Okay, LCM is 21 only. Okay, I have made the question short for you. Now you don't need to take the LCM, simply solve it. And if the LCM is same, then what you can do? This is same, 21 and 21. If you will multiply it by 1 you need to multiply it by 1 sorry, 1 and 1, then you will get 13 upon 24. This will be same, so इसको you need to leave. ठीक है, इसको as it is छोड़ दो. Okay, leave it as it is. Solve these two only. इन दोनों को solve करो, you have to solve. Okay, now you have to solve these two by LCM method. Okay, so just pause the video. Okay, now we cannot give much time, so that the video will get so long. Okay, if you have paused the video, took your time, now let me show you the solution. So this is the solution. Okay, the LCM will be 21, and the so converting to equivalent fractions, like this will convert. Okay, 3 into 7, you'll get this. Okay, like this. And why we have not solved 13 upon 21? Because this is as it is, right? This is as it is. 21 is same, so we don't need to do. Okay, now this is how we will do it. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, इनको equivalent बनाने के बाद we get this, and then you have to compare this, and then you check this is equivalent to what, and then you have to put their values. Okay, and then arrange it. Okay, well done. Calculate your points. अगर आपने pause किया, then you get 100 points, because now I cannot give much time, so that the video will get so long. Okay, and if Anil ate 3 by 8 of a cake, Lata ate this much of a cake, and Bhanu ate this much of a cake, Asha had this much of a cake, then who ate the greater part? Here you have to compare 4. Okay, you have to compare 4. अब आपको ये बताना है कि किसने बड़ा खाया, अनिल ने खाया, भनु ने खाया, लता ने खाया, आशा ने खाया. Who ate the greater part of the cake? Compare this all. Take your time. Okay, pause the video. Can take up to 5 minutes, as much as you want. Okay. So I have started with a timer to mark your answer. You can take much time. Okay, as much time as you want. You can pause the video and take much time. Okay, let's see the answer. So annihilate the greater part. Simply compare this. Okay, simply compare. Just you will compare this. You will get uh, the answer. Okay. So congratulations and well done. Those who got the maximum points and those who even tried. The champions who tried. And give me the your points in the comment section. Okay, let me know your points in the comment section. And thanks. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification option so that you can get notified whenever the new video